How to dress expensive so you always look good. How to dress expensive. Are you looking for a cost-effective to make your clothes look more expensive? This video will show you over 20 ways how to elevate your wardrobe so it looks expensive but doesn't break the bank. Fashion tips that'll make your wardrobe look expensive, everything abode. You're probably thinking that in order to achieve an expensive-looking wardrobe, one would have to spend a ton of money on their clothes, right? After all, expensive usually results in being paired with pricey price tags, and since we all want to dress like the celebrities we know and love, most of us don't have the celebrity money to go with the look. Also, who isn't guilty of making less than wise decisions when it comes to our wardrobes, no matter what the budget is? And maybe right now is a good time to learn some good sound fashion tricks so you can look at what you have and see if it is working for you or not. If you are the type to hang on to old clothes way too frequently, or if you impulsively buy things simply because it is staring you cold in the face with a sale tag, then it's time we change that. The good news is that inexpensive clothing and accessories, lacking high-end designer labels, can still look amazing. All you need is a good eye for detail, a bit of creativity, and a few small tweaks here and there. You can easily make your wardrobe look expensive in an inexpensive way. Plus, you'll always look fabulous no matter your budget if you follow a few of these fantastic 20-plus styling tips. Let's get started. 20 ways to make your wardrobe look more expensive, everything abode. 1. Keep a razor and lint roller handy. How exactly does a razor or a lint roller have to do with enhancing the quality of fast fashion? When you have all your clothes pilling, fur, hair, and various other scattered bits, using a lint roller paired with a razor to smooth out those fuzzy threads will undoubtedly improve the look of your outfits. 2. Glam up. Wear makeup to make your clothes look more expensive, everything abode. If your lipstick is finished, your nails are sculpted or even polished and filed, and your eyebrows are shaped with no hair out of place, it means you've taken serious attention to detail and most likely will have good consideration of your wardrobe as well. Not only that, but the better we feel, the prettier we look. 3. Don't buy or keep clothes that don't fit right. How to make your clothes look expensive. It's not uncommon for most women to hang on to clothes and accessories that no longer fit or suit them. They do this with the expectation that one day they'll miraculously fit. However, holding on to clothes you can't get into is one of the worst things you can do to enhance your fashion style. For starters, these items take up unnecessary space in the closet and give you an unrealistic view of what you can wear when the time comes. So don't be afraid to donate any small-fitting clothing you don't plan on wearing again, or try some of these clothing fixes to get them back to a wearable condition. 4. Have appropriate clothing pieces for all weather conditions. 20 tiny ways to make your wardrobe look expensive, everything abode. Instead of buying something unique for just a few occasions, aim for more versatile dresser items in your wardrobe that work seamlessly for all weather forecasts. But if you are thinking, what should I wear for every season? There are 5 main types of clothing that each weather condition, temperature, must have, based on the heat index or wind chill. They are: cozy fleece, 45 to 64 degrees. Winter jacket, below 25 degrees. Light to medium coats, 25 to 44 degrees. Shorts, 75 degrees and higher. Short sleeves and tank tops, 65 degrees and higher. 5. Spend more on classics that'll stand the test of time. Spend more on classics to make your clothes look more expensive, everything abode. Think of a pair of dark wash skinny jeans or a tailor-made blazer. Can you buy these items in fast fashion? Yes, you can. But these are considered classic pieces, and they will always remain in style if you purchase good quality clothes to keep for many years. In addition, if you spend more on classic items and mix them with your other discounted clothes, you will not only enhance your wardrobe to look more expensive, but also save money in the long run. Since classic items can stand the test of time, especially in each fashion phase, invest in good quality made garments, and you will have a perfect foundation for building a wardrobe that you love. 6. Pay close eye to details. Pay a close eye to the details when buying clothes to make your clothes look more expensive, everything abode. Uneven stitching, cheap plastic buttons, or crooked zippers can blow your cost-conscious cover if you're not paying close attention. So make sure to keep a close eye on the little details, especially if you are buying from the clearance rack. There is no need for your clothes to fall apart after a few washes if you would like your clothes to resemble an expensive look. 7. Avoid fake bling. When trying to build an expensive-looking wardrobe, buying inexpensive jewelry is great, but always be wary of going overboard. Instead, opt for strong pieces of gold or silver instead of fake gems and diamonds. Plus, you can give these faux metals a simple coat of clear nail polish to prevent them from becoming tarnished too fast. 8. Pick the right amount of stretch. Did you know that the best way to spot a cheap pair of jeans is through their fading, shrinking, and details? Too much stretch can result in thin and saggy jeans. However, a heavier pair will last longer. To get the most wear out from your jeans, make sure you only buy denim that is 98% cotton with 2% elastane, and look for spandex and liquor on the labels. Similar, 11 laundry hacks that will make your clothes look instantly better. 9. Steer away from fake suede. Fake suede is the hardest to imitate and usually looks the cheapest when purchased fake. Softer and patent leather faux versions tend to look the most expensive when you are on a budget and don't want to buy the real thing. 10. Stick with basic color palettes. How to dress expensive on a budget. Image via Pinterest. Stick with basic color palettes consisting of blacks, grays, whites, beiges, browns, and tans if you want to make your wardrobe look expensive. Often falsely being accused of being boring by fashionistas is the black and white scheme. However, the reason for this is these fashionistas either want to sell